In my experience, this is what happens when teenagers are never told no. Official Blizzard Bay Shark ugly Christmas shirt thinks it's okay to just be loud and obnoxious in public. This also creates bullies, who then stop being bullies when one day their victim snaps and just knocks the lights out of them. I was bullied a lot less, and the annoying people in my class stopped slapping rulers on the backs of Blizzard Bay Shark ugly Christmas shirt, tank top, V-neck, ladies' tee for men and women's V-neck, tank top. I saw a guy lock his girlfriend in a bathroom full of roaches. Official Blizzard Bay Shark ugly Christmas shirt was crying and begging him to unlock the door. The milk jug prank where they slam them on the supermarket floor pretending to wipe out. It makes me steaming angry. She's barely holding it together when these kids dump a milkshake on her just because they can. They laughed but the driver didn't drive off. Official Blizzard Bay Shark ugly Christmas sweatshirt, hoodie, sweatshirt, hoodie. They replaced the actual good radio show host thing with official Blizzard Bay Shark ugly Christmas shirt calls in the morning. I don't want to hear some stupid fake horrible prank call that's super annoying. This is why I had to stop watching Kim's Convenience even though the show is often hilarious. It relies really heavily on misunderstandings and awkward situations. So it just killed me to try and watch it. Other products.